Discovered an FM3 file from old business records? This is a spreadsheet file from Lotus 1, 2, 3, the predecessor to modern spreadsheet applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening and converting these Lotus 1, 2, 3 spreadsheet files. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your FM3, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. FM3. Files are formatting files associated with Lotus 1, 2, 3, Release 3, the influential spreadsheet software from the 1980s and 1990s that dominated business computing before Microsoft Excel. They store cell formatting print specifications and worksheet display attributes, complementing WK3 worksheet data files. FM3. Files use Lotus 1, 2, 3's proprietary format, storing formatting metadata, including cell colors, fonts, borders, number formats, column widths, and print settings. The format works alongside WK3 worksheet files, providing complete spreadsheet appearance preservation for the legacy Lotus 1, 2, 3 environment. The FM3 format operates under the official standard set by Microsoft Excel from Microsoft Corporation. Windows often fails to decompress all components within this complex format. Windows may show static data, but recalculations require a spreadsheet environment. We're checking the integrity against known readers. Right-click your FM3 file and click Open With. If Microsoft Excel is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. You need to test widely. If your FM3 file will not open, do not worry. The primary software didn't cooperate. That's fine. We pivot. I need you to execute these 3 focused steps to pinpoint the exact FM3 error. First, opening in LibreOffice Calc. Install LibreOffice from LibreOffice.org, which includes Lotus 1, 2, 3 import filters in Calc. Launch Calc and use File then Open to load the associated WK3 file with which the FM3 file pairs. Calc applies formatting from the FM3 file when present in the same folder as the worksheet. Next, converting through IBM Lotus. Find a copy of IBM Lotus 1, 2, 3 or Lotus Smart Suite to open original files natively, then save in modern formats like XLS or XLSX. This stepping stone approach provides best fidelity preservation of formatting and formulas during migration to current spreadsheet applications. Finally, examining data only. If formatting recovery proves difficult, focus on extracting the data from the associated WK3 worksheet file using basic spreadsheet importers. Reapply essential formatting manually in modern spreadsheets, prioritizing data preservation over exact appearance reproduction for practical migration of business records. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.